Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a market update for Tuesday, April 13, 2021. Please click the button below to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will be updated on the current market. First, let's take a look to see where the main market indices are doing right now, and I'm going to show you three technology software stocks on the move to the uptrend. So first of all, look at the S&P 500. It's still very bullish. As you can see here, right now they are still continue to the upside. As long as the momentum is still up, we will stick with the upside. On the way up, they will zigzag, but as long as the trend is still up, the market will still have room to put it to the upside. And let's take a look on the Nasdaq. It's also very strong, and today they'll be able to break out the all-time high and continue to the upside after they complete the invert head and shoulder here. So the momentum is still straight up. Of course, they never go straight up one line. They go up, pull back down, and retest and continue to the upside. But the momentum for the technology stock is very strong. As you can see that we identify the 10-year Treasury note. That's the thing that people worry a while, but 2 weeks ago we already showed you when it hit the sell zone. If you're a member of Stock Navigator, you know what the sell zone is about. And when they hit to the sell zone, nowhere they can go, they have to pull back down. And today they drop high to the downside. So they give more momentum for the technology stock to put it to the upside. Why Russell 2000 do sideways correction here, that's why you see a lot of small cap stock. They have to have a trouble to put it to the upside. So they need to find some support and find a way to work out this downtrend line here in order to catch up with a Nasdaq and the S&P 500 and the Dow. The Dow it also hit the all-time high, but they pull back a little bit because they run up too fast. So they go sideways correction before they get some momentum again. All right, so if you look at the gold it also tried to stabilize here, and if the gold we're able to clear that area here, okay, it will be more bullish for the gold in the future. While the crude oil it still goes sideways, but they'll be able to break out here. So let's see they'll be able to put it up and put it upside again. Otherwise, they will still go sideways, choppy in that area here. Very stable price for the oil for the last couple of weeks here. And if you look at the Bitcoin, as we mentioned earlier, Bitcoin, after they go up here, they test the high, they pull back, and they make a nice flat pattern here. And after they get to this level, and then now they punch through it, and the more bull coming in and continue to put it to the upside. As well as the Ethereum is also very strong, as we mentioned last couple of weeks, when they break out this level, it still continue very strong to the upside. And right now, the volatility is very low. Okay, it's very low, even lower than before pandemic. So the market is still stay calm. So that will help the market have room to continue to push it back to the upside. Okay, so now as you know that trading is a very risky business. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You need to learn how to analyze and read the chart with the right technical analysis and understand the market psychology in order to make money. You need to be in the community so that each member will get support and help each other to learn and success. And you will need to attend our live trading room every day so that you can make some extra daily income, and you can ask any sticker symbol and get answer to confirm your thinking before you take in a trade. This is the time for you to invest in your education so that you can survive in this volatile market. Today, I'm going to show you three technology software stocks on the move. Okay, so the first one is the NET. Okay, that's the Cloudflare. Okay, this one is the, as you know that this stock is since February, they in the correction as well as the main index correction. So after they found the support at this level here, and now they'll be able to stabilize and then continue today. They make it high. They break above the moving average, so the momentum is strong to the upside. Okay, so they will continue to put it up. The next one is the Roku, which is another software hardware company. They also doing well after the correction here. Now they'll be able to get back on top of the moving average. Okay, the momentum come back in, so they will try to get back and to the top, right? As you can see there. And the next one is WK. That's another worksheet. It's also they after they hit the all-time high here, they pull back down. They finally be able to fill up this gap here, and then they turn around for support and now they continue to hit to the top here. We can clear this resistance here. They will continue to the upside. Okay, so that's the 3 stocks that you need to put in your watch list and then see how they doing. Alright, so beside these stocks, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we handpick 4 or 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and target so that you can follow. For example, on the recent watchlist, we highlight a couple of stocks, for example, like Apple. Okay, we enter here after the breakout, enter here, and top loss there, and the target to the upside there. For example, like CRM, Salesforce. This one here, after they hit the bottom, come back here, they make a high, and we enter, and the target will be up there. And like ETY, it's another one that after the breakout couple handle, we enter, and they hit to the target very quickly here. Okay, and the next one is like FND. That's another strong one with a cup handle. After they get out here, we enter, stop loss here, and we hit to the target right away. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy my analysis. So please click a thumb up button below. Again, thank you for watching. Good luck in your trading. I will see you on the next video, and take care, everyone.